Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss about that Job-A-Thon 30 challenge. So the problem name is that odd series. Okay, so let us discuss about that problem statement. Consider a sequence of number denoted by Fn, where Fi can be expressed as F0 is equal to 0, F1 is equal to 1, and Fi value Fi is equal to Fi minus 1 plus Fi minus 2. For each I should be greater than 1. Okay, so you have some new rule that is for each I should be greater than 0, and second rule is that which is multiple of 5, so our fi value should be 11. Okay, and and of this result that fn value should be modulo of 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, so let us discuss about that example. To to solve that example, to how to solve this example. Initially initially our initially that is our f0 value, our f0 value, that is f0 value as per that our problem statement, that is 0, that is 0. Okay, and f1 f1 is equal to f1 is equal to 1. Okay, to how to solve that f2, how to solve that f2. So we will solve this f fi minus 1, that is f2 minus 1, that is f1, plus f0 plus f0 plus f0. So f1 is equal to 1. Okay, and f0 is equal to 0, so our value is equal to 1. So f2 is equal to 1. I hope you all understood that how to solve that f2 value. So our output is equal to 1. Uh, Understood that? And in understand that better, so how to solve that f3 value, how to solve that f3 value. F3 value is nothing but F3 value is nothing but F2 plus F1, and you can also check that is F sum of F2 plus sum of F1. In understand that effective way, just like it a Fibonacci series. So F2 is equal to 1 and F1 is equal to 1. So you have it. So add all this answer 1 and 1, so you will get that f3 is equal to 2. Okay, so how to solve that f4 value, that is f4. F4 is nothing but sum of this f3, sum of sum of the f3 plus f2. Okay, so our f3 value is 2, our f3 value is 2, and our f1 value is nothing, that is 1. So I have a 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So our f4 value is 3. But here is this challenge, that is f5. F5 is that is f5 is divisible by 5. It is a modulo of 5. So that is, we will update that value f5, and we will simply that is update our value f5 should be f5 f5 should be 11. So that's why our answer, that is output is 11, because and uh, because n divided by 5, n modulo 5 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Okay, so that's why we will update that our answer is 11. Okay, I hope you all are understood very well. So how to solve that? N is equal to 6, n is equal to 6, n is equal to 6. So n is equal to 6 is nothing but that is f6. F6 is nothing but that sum of that value of f5, sum of the value of f5 and f4, f5 and f4. So f5 is our, that is answer is 11. I hope you all are understood very well. And f4 is nothing, that is f3 plus f2, which is 3, which is 3, which is 3. So so we will simply return, that is f4 will simply return that 3. Okay, so our f6 values is 14. So I hope you all are understood very well, that is problem statement. So how to code this logic? So here is the solution of this logic. So you have a simply mode of this value int I 9 plus 7, i.e. 9 plus 7, and here is the memoization technique. Why? Because of that, because of that, this is the recursion technique will be failed. So in understand that uh, effective manner, so you will simply solve this uh, memoization technique, that is f, if n is less than equal to 1, so we will simply return n. If n is divisible by 5, so we will simply return 11. Otherwise, if dp of n is not equal to minus 1, so we will simply return dp of n. Otherwise, each and every time we will update that dp of n, that is nothing but a, a dp of n minus 1 plus dp of n minus 2, and that is modulo of mode. So it is, so this is working fine, but you will got that tle. In this technique you will got that tle. So in order to understand that effective manner, so you have to be think about that tabulation approach. Okay, so here is the tabulation approach is nothing that is fn plus 2. So you will simply firstly you will declare that fn plus 2, and initially f0 value is 0 and f1 value is 1, according to your given condition, according to your given condition. Okay, for int I is equal to 2, so if I divided by 5 is equal to 0, so we will update our f value, that is 11. Otherwise we will each and every time uh, update our value for previous one and previous two, and and divide by divide by modulo, and divide by modulo. I hope you all are understood very well, all are understood very well. and and that you will simply return fn, simply return fn. So this is working fine. You can also check it that this is working fine. uh, so here is the solution of C++, and here is the solution of Java, that is same approach, nothing is changes, f0's value, f1 value, so nothing it changes. So you can also check it, that is it should be working fine. Yeah, so you can also check it, that is value. So I hope you all are understood this approach. If you have any doubt, so please comment, please like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.